Hello, Nature. Diwali is coming. I am so excited. I am so sad because my friend, sky, tree, birds are worried. Hello, little one. Diwali is a happy time. But will there be crackers again? Yes, but wait. This time, not like this. Yes, little friend. Crackers go boom boom. I can't fly. I become dark and smoke. Star cannot strike. Year began dirty. Oh no, this year no crackers. Happy Diwali with lights without noise. Celebrate green, clean Diwali. No crackers, only happiness. Say no to crackers. Say yes to